What is up, guys? It's Outdoors with Joe, and today we're going to do an update on the animals, so let's get into it. So first off, we got all the chickens, and Gary, and Sirius, all the ducks. Now let's move on to the rabbits. So here we have Butterscotch. We have Butterscotch's babies. We got Biscuit, Midnight with Butters. Got Dusty. Here we got Elvis. There's Mooney. Here's Big Chungus. Here's Jet. Here's Blueberry. And here's Patty. Here is Toothless. And here are all the other girls. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and peace out.